In the desolate expanse of the winter forest, the biting wind whispers tales of survival. Small birds huddle miserably in flimsy nests, their tiny forms shivering against the relentless cold. Carter the crow observes from his meticulously crafted, sturdy nest, a beacon of resilience amid the winter's harshness. In the heart of Carter's cozy nest, a storm of contemplation brews within him as he observes the struggling birds outside, igniting a spark of resolve. Rising with unwavering determination, Carter's small claws grip the woven branches of his home, a silent promise of action. With purposeful and quick movements, Carter begins to gather twigs and feathers, his actions echoing a renewed spirit of aid. In a sun-drenched forest clearing, Carter embarks on his ambitious nest-building workshop, facing a cautious assembly of sparrows and robins. With unwavering patience, Carter meticulously demonstrates the art of weaving twigs and insulating nests, challenging the birds' initial doubts and clumsy efforts. The scene is filled with the gentle sounds of nature and a sense of determined collaboration, as feathers and twigs slowly transform into cozy, insulated nests. The forest flourishes in spring, a lively chorus of birdsong echoing through the verdant canopy, a testament to Carter's enduring legacy. High in the branches, the birds sing sweetly from their sturdy nests, each chirp a note of gratitude towards their mentor, Carter. Carter watches over his thriving avian community with a contented smile, his heart swelling with pride at the vibrant life he helped foster.